Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links so you can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. So go and join Telegram and go and check out the prop firm and the brokers here. So subscribe, like, check out the links, and let's get back to the chart. Let's start with a weekly chart, starting the top-down approach. In weekly, we are clearly above the EMA. So we had been going down since last 4 weeks, okay? Now, this was again either a short-term trend reversal, but this week in last 3 days, we are confirming that it was only a pullback, okay? So this was like since last 4 weeks, Forex is 1 month, okay? 1 month it was downtrend. That's what you can say, okay? 4 weeks we were down. That was a medium trend reversal. Then we are going up again. So we are still above the EMA, which means we are in the uptrend. Coming back to Delhi, okay? This is where a lot of people, they thought that we are going down, okay? And that we might go down. But since then, we have blue candle, blue, 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 blue. So we're going up, okay? So we are still above the EMA, okay? And I told you in my previous videos that this red candle has rejected the EMA, did not close below the EMA, and now all of a sudden after that we had a blue candle, and then this previous red candle is eaten by this blue candle. Okay, so I was somehow, I was only few of the people who was thinking that it will continue the uptrend. Okay, but I have seen videos on the internet. I have seen videos from those millionaires. Okay, millionaire traders, YouTubers, having that private jet life, and they were saying, yo, euro is going down. Euro might go down in next 2 days or in next 24 hours, but not right now. Okay, so it did not go down yesterday. It did not go down Monday. It did not go down last Friday. Okay, and those millionaire traders who are already having private jet life, they had been saying it's going to go down. It's going to go down. Fine, it will eventually go down. I understand it will, but not when you said. Okay, so sometimes you don't just have to go by the looks of those people. Everybody's a good person, made millions already. Everybody's making money, okay? But I'm saying having a shiny life does not mean that every time somebody will be correct, okay? So I was one of those people who saw this rejection from the EMA and then saw the blue candle and said, we are still in the uptrend. We're going to go up, okay? Now, this uptrend might act as a pullback and then we might go down. Who knows? Time will tell. But yes, if you entered buy here, you made some profits, okay? Let's get back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are still above the EMA, okay? So we closed above the EMA, then we retested the EMA. So if you were smart enough, you entered buy here. If you were smart enough, you waited for the retest of the EMA, you entered buy here after this blue candle, and you took your 1:2 ratio and you exit out of a trade, okay? What we do now, we look for longs after each pullback. Are we going to enter now? I'm stupid if I will do that. I'll wait for the pullback, then confirmation blue candle, and then enter long, okay? So we are still in the uptrend in all 3 time frames. In 4 hour, we are above the EMA. In daily, we are above the EMA, okay? Look for longs after each pullback. Rest, you can't get to know everything for free, okay? Anyways, so be careful when you trade and do your research. Not everybody is wrong, not everybody is right, but just don't trust everybody blindly, okay? Having a shiny life doesn't mean that every time they will be correct, or having a dull life doesn't mean you will be wrong. So yeah, I'm very happy that I was one of those people who said that we are going to continue the uptrend after this setup I saw, okay? If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join the Telegram, whatever, okay? I don't have anything to sell for now. I don't have any $1,000 course to sell you, manual course on trading. I don't think I want to do all of that because I need peace. Peace as in I don't want to be responsible for handling students or clients. Not as of now. I am chilling I'm enjoying my life, having peace of mind. So we'll see how it works out in the future. So yeah, enjoy trading and learn patience. Losing money is part of the trading. Learn to be patient. Get comfortable in losing the money as much you can, okay? Don't just go and take loan. only get into this industry if you can afford to lose money, because you don't learn if you don't lose. Okay, if somebody tells you you only win, or you only just get your $100 and you can turn 100 into 1,000, that's all bullshit. Okay, you need a lot of money and patience to learn and learn and learn, and then eventually at one time you will become expert, and then you can reinvest. Do you have that time, patience, and money? Welcome. Otherwise, just have fun. Take care.